A pia tá cheia de louça, o banheiro parece que é de boutique. Alô, alô? Desktop audio. Wireless headset. Beleza. Ok. Stream information tá maneiro. Scenes. Eu preciso de sócios normais. Eu acho que o áudio tá sendo compartilhado entre os dois. É isso aí. Deixa eu ver se. Deixa eu ver aqui. Facebook Live, desse dashboard. Acho que se eu puser só isso aqui, vai cair direto na. Se eu puser só isso aqui, vai cair direto na live do Save Point. Caralho. Maneiro. Esse também é uma solicitação. Alô, alô? Maneiro. Esse também é uma solicitação. Alô, alô? Porra, agora tá crocante esse áudio. Porra, agora tá crocante esse áudio. Esse. Vamos ver como estamos. Comentário em cima. Deixa eu dar um teste dos comentários em tudo para ver se vai aparecer bonitinho. Eu ainda não integrei comentários vindos do. Em cima. Caralho, eu tô me ouvindo do. Peraí. Comentários em tudo para ver se vai aparecer bonitinho. Eu ainda. Não tá do jeito que eu quero. Vertical Scene, React Center que eu quero. Pronto. Pronto, agora tá bonito. Eu tenho centro sendo streamado no YouTube, no Facebook e no. Aliás, a live no Facebook tá maneira. Na vertical, interessante. Tem que ver depois se eu consigo fazer uma live. Depois tem que ver se eu consigo fazer uma live no Instagram, já que eu não uso aquela porra pra nada. Mas até então tá funcionando direito. Mas, não vou ver se. Agora não, pelo menos. Beleza. E se tudo dando certo aqui, eu devo conseguir migrar a live para Facebook, Facebook, cara. Eu acho que dá para colocar isso aqui de volta nas paradas e interagindo de acordo com a necessidade. Deixa eu ver. My channel de my channel do Trovo. Hello! Oh, yeah. Stream ok. Hello! Oh, yeah. Programa antigo, tá bom. Okay, I have everything set up. And then let's start working as soon as we can. Send your first script to the browser. Let me just actually. How can I set this one up? I can first. Let's set the tone. Let's set the tone for the live stream. Let's do Expedition 33 original soundtrack again. Not this, not from YouTube Studio. I didn't like YouTube Studio for this. Just regular old YouTube. Expedition 33 original soundtrack. Nice. I just got a follow from Finnish streamer. Hi there, man. Hope you're having a great day. Thank you for the follow. Thank you for having you here. The soundtrack that I just started playing is Expedition 33. The first song from the soundtrack, actually. It is Alicia. Nice to see you, man. How's it over there? Is it cold? Is it hot? I believe that Finland is very, very cold every all around the clock. Let me just turn down a little bit. Nice. I'm currently studying Astro.JS, which is a JavaScript framework for front-end development. And I'm doing the tutorial, as we are right now. And I'm learning about hamburgers, hamburger menus specifically. I do know what a hamburger menu is, but I'm implementing this inside the Astro architecture. What he has me having here is, what he has me doing here is at npm run dev, and then I set up my local host. I just copy the local host. Thank you. And this is my amazing website. Oh, which is in dark mode right now because I forced dark mode, but usually it's like this, very, very bright. But yeah, man, how's it doing? Well, you do stream as well for your nickname at least. How long have you been streaming for? Don't worry. Also, if you don't want to interact and you just want to chill over here, it is cool as well. It is accepted. It's not a crime. And just welcome, man. Nice having you here again. Create a file name hamburger.astro in source/components. That's what I've done actually. I do have a file named hamburger already. Yes, thank you. Let's see. Let me just close this part. Let me just put this one to the side. And yes, I can follow the instructions and type the instruction. I can read the instructions and follow the instructions at the same time. So that is actually good to have when you're learning. And for people that are streaming and for people that are watching, but I just noticed that for whoever's watching on vertical, it gets a little complicated, but please bear with me. It's my first time streaming on vertical as well. Boom, 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 boom. This game, man, this Expedition 33 has been affecting me a lot. It has a very, very nihilistic view on life. So it is one of those games that you get very contemplative as you play it. But yeah, it's a good game. It's an amazing game, actually. So yeah, let me go back. Place the new hamburger component just before your navigation component in header Astro. What is header Astro? Here is here already. Show me the codes. Add the following styles for your hamburger components. This is in styles. I just go over here and styles is here already. I just put hamburger padding right. What is it? Fuck it. Oh, here. Padding right 20 pixels, cursor pointer, hamburger hamburger dot line, display block with 44 pixels, height 5 pixels, margin bottom 10 pixels, and background color FF9776. This one is one of the good extensions that I like to use, where you can just see which color it is. So yeah, it's nice. And then you just ignore it, and at the bottom from media screen, you just put hamburger display none. in combination with floating position, determines the type of box or boxes that are generated for an element. In this case, what happens here is that if I just reduce enough, I have this effect. My home, about, and blog gets reduced to this sidebar, and then I have home, about, and blog. Yeah. Whoop, let me go back. Yes, thank you. Let's go back to what we're seeing. Write your first script tag. Okay, I just did this one as well. It was on footer. What? Wait, what? It wasn't. No, it wasn't. It wasn't on footer. It was on index. Add the following script tag to index.astro just before closing body tag. Index.astro. Close the body tag. Oh yeah, first he had me setting up the script, and now he has me to set up to create a new scripts folder. I just did that. I did that yesterday, and set up the menu.js file, which is over here, and set up the script over there. Document.query selector hamburger, add event listener, click. So when you click, it's gonna perform the action. This is a line function, is a shorthand for JavaScript. Document.query selector, nav.links. So this is the class. This is the class that I'm looking for inside my documentation. Class list toggle expanded. What everything does is just what I just mentioned. Basically, just first is just remove data known, and then I just, when I click, it gives me the menu. So yeah, I need to raise this one a little. Ding ding da da, ding ding da da, ding ding da da, ding ding da da, ding ding da 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 da. Sorry, I'm misplacing myself here, but yeah, now I'll go back to index.astro. Go back to the scripts and set up imports, and then I import the script that I was advised. Check your browser preview again at a smaller size and verify that the hamburger menu still opens and closes your navigation links. Yes, that does happen. And the same script with import to your other two pages. About Astro and blog Astro. About Astro here. Let me just yes, thank you. And thank you. Actually, these three ones, yes. And about Astro and blog Astro. Where is blog Astro? Here. Per obscure you patria. Per obscure you patria sonde. Per obscure you patria. Claire obscura you patisseria sorte. Oh, I need to as well. I need to close a lot of stuff over here. Hamburger close, navigation, footer, other global CSS at the moment. About, I have index, but over index I had to import scripts. Okay, it's import scripts about. It is importing correctly. Why is he? Why? Oh yeah, now it is. For some reason, now it works. Thank you, Dark Souls. Yeah. Claire obscure, sorry, when does Astro run any JavaScript written in a component front matter? When a visitor clicks a button. Nope. At build time. Okay, thank you. Optionally, Astro can send JavaScript to the browser to allow users to click page links, faster load time, client-side interactivity. Client-side interactivity, okay. The client-side JavaScript will be sent to a user browser when it is written or imported in script tags between an Astro file code fences. The client-side JavaScript will be sent to a user browser when it is written or imported between an Astro file code fences. Oh, the script tags. Oh, yeah, so it's a script. I can add client-side interactivity JavaScript in a script tag. I can import a JS file with a script tag. Thank you. Let's go to the fourth unit, layout. Let me just get dots. Git commit am hamburger finished. Git push. Yep, I'm streaming vertically, which is good. But yes, let's go. Check in Unit 4 layouts. Now that you can build with components, it's time to create some custom layouts. Looking ahead, in this unit, you build layouts to share common elements and styles across your pages and blog posts. To do this, you will create reusable layout components, pass content to your layouts with slots, pass data from Markdown front matter to your layouts, nest multiple layouts. I am ready to take my page design to the next level with layouts. Build your first layout. Get ready to refactor common elements in the page layout, use an Astro slots element to place page contents within a layout, pass page-specific values as props to its layout. You still have some Astro component repeatedly rendered on every page. It's time to refactor again to create a share page layout. Create a new file at the location. Ooh, let's go. Which is, let me just open, first, let's clear this down here. So where am I? Okay, see the source. Alias, make dir layouts with S. So the layouts, and then I need to create a file named base layout. If I need to create a file, I can set up touch and the name of the file that I want to create. If I just want to create and go to the file, I can set up codes, which is codes. Let's go here, codes, and then which was named base layout dot astro, and then boom, I'm here and I'm him. Copy the entire content of index.astro into your new file. Index.astro. Let's just grab everything over here. Base layout. This should be Okay. Title, page title. Header, H1 page title. Okay. Use your layout on a page. Replace the code at source pages index.astro, so here, with the following. Let's just whoop, and then clear everything up. 3 dashes plus 3 dashes. Import base layout from dash the dots layouts dot base layout dot astro const page title home page. Okay, and then I leave the 3 dashes. Oh, nope, I don't want. Please don't autocomplete me. Please don't. Base layouts. Base layouts. Then I close here. Sorry, no. Sorry. Wait, what? The fuck? I have the base layout here. Age. No. I need to remove autocomplete. Oh fuck! And let me just where the fuck is Copilot? Disable, please. Do I have coding on here? I don't have coding, I believe. Yeah, let me just. Oh, where was it? I need to reload. I don't have the option to reload my thing here. Extensions. Let me go to Copilot again, because it's going to ask me to reload Windows. How the fuck do I reload Windows manually over here? I need to learn this sometime. Yeah. Bong, bong, bong. H2. My awesome blog. Subtitle. Boom, 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 boom. Dum, 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 dum. Dum, dum, dum. Dum, 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 dum. Dum, dum, dum. Dum, 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 dum. Dum, 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 dum. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, 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 ba-da-da, ba-da-da, boom, 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 boom. That is nasty. Sorry. Dum, 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 bum, bum, dum, 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 dum. Dum 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 News. Oh, I can't skip. 22. Where is it? Where are the comments? Oh, here. Oh yeah, and oh, this part I can just focus here. This is better for the vertical streaming. Add a slot element to the source layouts, base layout Astro, just above. Just above the component. Then check the browser preview of your home page and notice what they really did change this time. Just H1 page title and above footer. This is a slots. Open slots space dash close. Oh, let's see what changed. Oh, so that's what the thank you. Which one was it? Yeah, Final Fantasy 7. Oh, Final Fantasy 6. Yes. Oh, fuck. Nice. So the slot allows you to inject or slot in child content written between opening and closing component tags to any component Astro. Okay, Google. Change my light colors to green. Oh, fuck. I'm just get this one again. Page title is this one, and this is the page subtitle. So if I put a second slot, let me see here. Yeah. So this is the same as the huge content from Laravel. Pass the page title. Oh, that is nice. Pass the page title to your layout component from index.astro using a component attribute. So I go to index.astro. Home page. Change the script of your base layout Astro layout component to receive a page title via Astro.props. So I remove here const. No, before I remove, just to compare the two. Const, open brackets, open brackets, page title, equals Astro dot props. Oh, and then I remove this one. Let me just bring this over here. Control Shift O. It's Control Shift D. Oh. Hello again. This is important. I'm actually setting up my corporate account, my corporate base, so it's getting a little bit complicated, but it is interesting nonetheless. Oh. What? This is interesting. Yep. Yep. Yes. Okay. Hold on. Change the script to your base layout Astro layout component to receive a page title via Astro.props instead of defined as a constraint, as a constant. Constant page title, Astro.props. Okay, Astro.props. Check your browse preview to verify that your page title has not changed. Yep. On page, still. It has the same value, but it is now being rendered dynamically. And now each individual page can specify its own title to the layout. This is what I was trying actually to do with Laravel. But yes, try it yourself. Use your layout everywhere. Refactor other pages, blog Astro and about Astro so that they use your new base layout component to render the common page elements. So blog Astro and about Astro. So I need, since these ones are being very used, how did I do it? Base layout, sorry. Index the Astro. On page title, Astro.props. On page title, my Astro learning. Wait, but it is. Wait. Base layout, page title, page title. Base layout has header, page title. Oh, I need blog. But here I have page title here. I have page title here. And what's declaring page title? Oh yeah, over here, over there. Base layouts, cons page title, Astro.props. Astro.props. But I need to declare the props. Base layouts, okay. I remove cons page title homepage to cons page title Astro.props. That was removed from base layouts. Oh, I need to compare these two. Page title. Oh, but I believe that I have done this. Base layout. Where's the base layout here? Okay. The base layout is gonna follow this structure. Okay. The index is gonna follow. The index is gonna follow page layout, page title, page title. It doesn't have a body. Once page title. Base layout, HTML. So HTML head and the body are already set up. So I need to just put the base layout. Let me just compare this two. Massive title, okay, the footer is here, the body is here, the head is here. H1 on page title, home page. Base layout. I need to understand where to put this. It's opening base layout and closing base layouts. So it's gonna be blog. Will it be here? If I'm not wrong, it's gonna be there's gonna be a lot of repetition here, but page layout, page title. This is gonna fuck everything up. It actually hasn't. Oh yeah, now it has. Page.blog, Astro.JS, the first line. Page title. Let me just go back. Base layout. I need to understand this. Import header, import footer, import style, const page, title, astro.props. Astro.props. Oh, So I need to import base layouts. Oh, he was actually here. Yes, I'm a more. Okay, so let me see blog right now. There should be some repetition. Master learning blog. That's just it. Oh. I can remove, I can comment out the heads and check. I can remove this head. I can remove this H1. I can remove the footer. No, I can't. I can remove this footer. Nice. This just got interesting. But yo, no, I still have the menu, the nav bar. Should I remove the header? Sorry, can you go back again? Oh, I should remove the header. Let me just see if it's still going to, oh, let me just check another. Yes, I can remove the script. Still works, perfect. I can remove body. I can remove body. I can remove HTML. Pretty much because, well, still HTML. I need only to leave the content itself. And there was the it wasn't prop slots. So the structure is set up so that I have the header, I have the footer, I have the slot where there's yields, and I have the script being pulled. There's very, very nice. So yeah, this is still being respected. I can still follow the proper structure. Nice. And none of those imports, I can remove the import header and footer. Do I need to import styles? I don't need to import style. What the fuck is this? Oh, the train scene. Nice. So I have to import base layouts. And when I import base layout, I can remove header and footer. No, let's do it again. Base layout, page title. Page title equals variable page title. Const. Oh, let me just close this one. Fuck. Now I need to deal with the about page. There's gonna be a lot of duplications. No, there's not. Which is weird. Shouldn't be working like this. Not this one. Not this one. This one. Sorry. It may sound very, very close, but it is not the same at all. Now styles global is still being, yes, styles global is still being migrated as well. So I need to remove this one. Front page title, okay. Homepage, perfect. Cons identity, I will need to still keep these ones. I could be able to just pass them over to base layouts, but it might be useful because it might not be useful because other page would have there's not defined. Oh yeah, okay. Because now I have to remove the header, and now I have to remove the footer, and now I have to remove the script, and remove the body and HTML, and remove the and remove the body and remove the HTML. This style I can move over. If I change this style, it's gonna change everything over the other pages. So I should keep it here. Or change the H1 to the style name. Trustworthy pistachio the WKT. That chat, not today. Thank you for the proposal, but yes, no thank. I'm just here. I just started streaming. This is everything that I'm looking for. Don't worry. I'm taking my time and learning as much as I can. But yes, take for the offer. Oh, I had a message from Big the Real Deal. Why didn't I get this message? Oh, 3:31 a.m. I was about to close if I'm not wrong. Oh. Toggle sidebar. Control B. Nice. Out, up and down. Yeah. Shift out, up and down. Okay, I do that one. Control dash. Oh. Control Shift K. Nice. This is the one that I was looking for. Control Shift K. Thank you. Control Shift K. Control space. Oh, auto complete. F2. Rename symbol. The fuck's this? Oh. Nice. ABC. AC. It changes. Nice. Skill color. Wait. Skill color, control? No, if F2, AC, B. Skill color ACB. That is interesting. Oh, it sets up the variable skill color here so that I don't miss the property of skill color. That is very, very smart. Top of the sidebar. Well, where was the sidebar? Where was to add and remove the sidebar again? Control B. Nice. Control Shift F, Shift Alt, up and down. Multi-cursor and selection. Control G selects next match. Okay. Control Shift L, all occurrences. Alt plus click. What? Alt plus click. Oh. So if I just, oh, nice. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. Ah. 9,000 KBs for my streaming, so yeah. Okay. Let's see. About me. This one is weird. Should I just refactor the pages so that you use your new base layout component to render the common page elements? Don't forget to pass a page title as props via component attributes. Let the layout be responsible for the HTML rendering of any common elements. Move any existing style tags in the page head with styles you wish to keep to the page HTML templates. But if I do this, that's what I'm trying to avoid, actually. If I do this, I'm able to do this, but yeah, I need to change to the global. Control B. Where's the global? Here. Control B again. H1. Do I have H1? Yes, I do have H1. Nope. Sorry. There's layouts, heads. Oh, inside heads, yes. Style. Okay. And then I get H1 this and end style. Oh. I need to set up all these constants over there in base layout as well. So it gets a little more complicated, but it does work. Now I can just remove all the shit. No, I shouldn't. If I have this on identity, I wouldn't be able to. I should remove this one. This is skill caller from waiting text case. I shouldn't be able to. I shouldn't do this like this. I mean, it is the easiest way. I just set it on base layout, and then I move to commenting this. Qual é, Brunão? Tranquilo, meu querido? Eu tô com problema para poder pegar o comentários do Facebook. Eu ainda tô ajustando as paradas, mas 5h33 aí foi agora o comentário, pelo menos. Mas apareceu quando eu vi. Mas eu vi quando apareceu no caso. Tá maneiro o áudio, tá tranquilo? About Astro, Global CSS, base layout. If I just set this on base layout, I won't have issues. But yeah, I mean, it's still the easiest way to do this. I just set this one. I remove identity. I don't want to pull this like this, but let's try. Meta chart sets. I can remove all. Let me just see. Yeah. Style, vars, front weights. I'm just coming this one. Oh, sorry. Here. Let's see. Oh, identity is not defined. Where? About Astro 56. My name is identity. Also, I can't set up identity. It is here. But I don't think I'm importing this correctly. Identity first name, identity occupation, identity hubs length, skills map skill. Yeah, I should be able to just do this. A música que tá tocando agora é a trilha sonora de Final Fantasy Tactics. Aqui vai funcionar, beleza. Eu tenho 2 About Me ainda. porque no caso eu tenho que tirar esse about me daqui, se não me engano. Aí, beleza. Title tá lá em cima ainda, about me tá certo. Só que agora os outros estão em roxo. Então eu tenho que estabelecer uma classe para identity para não cagar tudo que eu quero. Era o about me que tava com classe, então eu tenho que botar opa. Então aqui eu vou ter que tirar essas conchas. Não, essas aqui. Pô, será que funciona se eu fizer isso? Deixa eu ver. Head. Só ao invés de eu botar ali, eu jogar aqui. Cagou tudo. Pum, purum, pum, bum, bum, bum. Minha 22. Vou tirar o head. Tá fora da formatação. Ainda tá errado. Beleza, posso tirar esse daqui também. Agora vai voltar ao normal. Mas o que eu quero tirar é outra coisa. Base layout, page title. Quais orientações que ele me deu aqui? Bot. Em 300 segundos dá 5 minutos. 600 segundos. Beleza. Deixa eu ver. Ah. Okay. Okay, let's go back. So I have about still to be worried about. HTML template. Oh, so in this case, he just wants me to remove the shit. Also, I do have two styles conflicting here, so that should be an issue as well. But yes, let's just about me, my learn blog homepage. Okay. Oh, script text blog. This is okay. This is very clean. Okay. Okay, Google. Turn my lights back to white. Okay, Google. Change my light colors to white. Change my light colors to white. Thank you. Keeping your about page styles. Using the base layout to render your about.astro page means you will lose the styles tag added to the head of this page. To continue to style items only at the page level using Astro scope style, move the style tag to the body of the page components. This allows us to style elements created in this page component, e.g. your list of skills. The body. Since your H1 is now created by your layout components, you can add the tag. You can add the is global attribute to your style tag to affect every element on this page, includes those created by other components. before base layout in this case. Style is global. Define vars. Nice. Since your H1 is not created by your layout component, you can add this global attribute to your style tag to affect every element of this page, including those created by other components. Style is global, define vars, skill color, font weight, text case. An Astro component, Astro file can function as a page, UI component, layout, all of the above, because Astro components are so functional. To display a page title on the page, you can use a standard HTML element on the page with a static text. Use a standard HTML element on the page refer to a variable defined in your component's front matter script. Okay. Use a layout component on the page, passing the title as a component attribute. Okay. All the above. Okay. Information can be passed from one component to another by importing a UI component and rendering it in the template of another component, passing props to a component where it is rendered via a component attribute, sending HTML content to be rendered inside another component using a slot placeholder. All of the above, okay. Nice. Nope. Boom, 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 boom. Create and test data to a custom blog layout. Now that you have a layout for your pages, it is time to add a layout for blog posts. Get ready to create a new blog post layout for your markdown files. Pass YAML front matter values as props to layout components. Add a layout to your blog post. When you include the layout front matter property in a .md file, all of your front matter YAML values are available to the layout file. Yes. Oh, okay. This is Casta Labs posting for where? Why did it only post on Kick? Did it post everywhere, or was it just only notified for this one? It posts on Kick, but it didn't mention, it didn't try to post anywhere else. Why? Chatbot, let me see. Shouts. For some reason, it doesn't let me.
My work is easy because I use ClickUp. Here's how I keep track of all my tasks. I start by brain dumping everything I need to get done.
Streamlabs sponsorships, 0 platform fees, guaranteed base pay on launch.
The fuck is this? Let me just check what it is.
Streamlabs sponsorships, 0 platform fees, guaranteed base pay on launch campaigns. Do I have your attention? Good, because sponsorships are coming to Streamlabs, and yes, it's open to all users no matter where you are on your creator journey. I'm sure you've got a lot of questions, so here's a few answers for you right away. Yes, launch campaigns from partners like Logitech G include guaranteed base pay. Just fulfill the campaign requirements and you'll get paid. On top of that, you can earn bonus payouts for driving sales conversions. So there's even more opportunity to increase your payout. And no, we don't take a cut of your earnings on launch campaigns, unlike traditional sponsorship platforms. That means more money in your pocket. Ultra members get early access to all campaigns 1 week before everybody else, but Ultra isn't required. All creators can apply once the campaign's open. One thing to keep in mind, applying doesn't guarantee acceptance. Each campaign has its own criteria, and brands do get to choose which streamers are the best fit. But if you're selected and meet the requirements, you get paid. To get started, you can head to the App Store in Streamlabs desktop and search for sponsorships. Download the app, fill in your info, choose a campaign, apply, and stream. Simple as that. Apply, go live, get paid.
That is interesting. How do I install the shit? Just VPN. Oh, I do have a VPN here. See? Let's check. Okay. Should I really use the Streamlabs? Oh fuck! I should. I really need to join Discord for this match. Oh god. Let me see how it is over here. This sponsorship thing. It seems to be important, so I'm making live. Oh, sorry, but yes. And also, yeah, just change this. This is what I'm seeing. Skip. Payment support. No. Budget support. No. Respect everyone. Okay. Thank you. Okay. Okay. Multi-stream challenge. Popularity YouTube. No issues. User safety. Put in good screen setup. That's spotlight. Charity streams. Launch. Announcements. I really do need to install Streamlabs desktop. I really do. Fuck it. Oh god. Download Streamlabs. Download Streamlabs. I really don't like Streamlabs, but yeah. If it's paying and swaying. Something like that. Hmm. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. Oh. Oh, sorry, Lizzie. I'm really sorry. I wasn't being notified by sounds for some reason. But yes, thank you for thank you for the compliment for the glasses. I wasn't really paying attention. I'm very sorry. I usually do. Where are you from? If you don't mind me asking. Uh, Also, sorry, by the way, you just got me in the middle of something. I just checking about the. It just appeared some type of. Let me just reduce the volume a little. Sorry. It appeared some time of sponsorship from the Streamlab guys. They posted this yesterday. Oh, nice. I've been to the United States in 2019, and I was in Florida at the time. So what am I streaming? The thing that I'm doing currently is that I'm since starting to stream, I live in Brazil. Since starting to stream something that's usually very very slow, I just study while I stream. So if you stream for 8 hours, let's be honest, it's almost useless because there's gonna be few people around you. But if you study during 8 hours of streaming, that's a lot of improvements for a day. So that's pretty much what I'm doing for the past week. I tried streaming in 2018, but I didn't have this specific mindset, so I just wasted my time. And yeah, that's it. So I'm always, but one of the things that people don't get much regarding streaming is the fact that you need to be able to speak at all times. Yeah, thank you very much. So you need to be able to speak at all times, because I was just discussing this with a friend. It is something regarding the human nature, where you need to be able to, if you arrive on a stream and the streamer is not saying anything, you just quit. Because me as a viewer, for example, I do get a little not upset, but upset can be a word. I got a little upset because I'm not. Not exactly bored. Is that the fact that, yeah, just like you did right now, seeing you just sent a lot of messages and I just ignored. So it is a very bad feeling. No one's like to feel that, and I'm sorry for that. And I try to always be interacting. Yeah, I try to always be interacting just because of it. Because most people don't like to, not most, pretty much everyone doesn't like to be ignored. So if you are joining a low viewed streamer and you are trying to engage with the guy and the guy doesn't reply, it's very upsetting. So yeah, I feel how, I completely understand how you feel. And once again, for the third time, I'm sorry, but that's not how I usually behave. For some reason, I wasn't getting. Oh, I must have been getting the sound notification, because I have a sound notification turned on every time that someone's comments, so that I don't lose comments. So it must have been while I was watching the video from the guy. And I'm also have another streaming that I'm trying to, so, but majority of the people just stream because they don't want to play alone. Yes. I mean, it is also a nice mindset to have, but streaming is very similar to playing video games, because if you stream without a purpose, you're wasting time. So, and also people that the if you don't get me wrong, I love video games. I'll defend them with all my strength. They think if they'll just stream and don't interact with, they will earn the same money. Yeah, never. Yes, people, not everyone, because the market is very very overwhelmed right now. But if you want to have any chance at succeeding, you need to be interacting. You need to be a little schizophrenic to be. You need to be a little schizo to be a streamer, because you need to be speaking at all times, and you need to make up conversations, and you need to speak with yourself and describe what you're saying. Yeah, exactly. It is something that is very humbling for most people. And you can see even non-influencers, for example, from YouTube, that don't get used with streaming, because they are not used with speaking all the time. They just turn on the camera, record something, and then it ends on that. But yeah, that's pretty much it. That's pretty much my take on this. I try to be as engaged as possible. Some streamers don't even put the effort it requires. Yes, I wouldn't say that it is. I mean, I understand how people can say that streaming is a low effort job. I completely understand, but people also haven't tried engaging with thin air for 12 hours straight. So it is a, I mean, it is a complicated matter because you're not being paid, and you pretty much, as you just said, you just turned on the streaming, you just turned on OBS, and you just engage. You don't engage with anyone. You're just playing over there, lights turned off, and no one's not teaching anything and not learning anything. It's an exchange. At least I like to think of it as an exchange, personally. But yeah, sorry for the TED talk. But yes, I like the sound of my own voice. Ooh, this sound is nice. Yes, exactly. People leaving the stream if their streamers don't react to their chats. Yes, I mean, my issue in the past when I started was that there wasn't anyone interacting. I mean, I was trying to speak, I was trying to engage, but yeah, they are there for some sort of entertainment. Yes, you are correct. A good mindset to have is that you are. Let me just turn down the song right now, so because it became a little louder. You need to see yourself as a TV program. So we have a set hour to start. You can have a set hour to end. You can have panels. You can have schedules, but it is essential for you to be entertaining in whatever you're doing. So yeah, I completely agree with you on that as well. Yeah. I mean, as I mentioned, when I'm solo, when there's no one engaging much, I'm usually just I set up this standard for myself. I just, for example, here I'm studying front-end framework called Astro, and if I'm by myself and not interacting with anyone, I just set up the good background music, and I'll read it out loud, and I'll be engaging with anyone that appears, pretty much. Panels and stuff are important too, I mean, but interacting is more important. Definitely. Yes, definitely. Being interactive, being engaging, being able to entertain, teach, or make people think is essential. I try to work a lot on my speech as well. I follow a lot of speech influencers, guys that know how to speak in public. That is immensely powerful as well. Oh, thank you very much. Thanks. I'll try eventually to rebuild my Discord community. Not rebuild because I didn't quite grow much, but I learned a lot for that. Oh, really? Thank you. It's nice learning. It's not learning about it. I try to. One of the best advices, not specifically for languages, but speech as a whole that you can have, is to avoid filler words. So I try to do this all the time. So, for example, if you want to get immediately better at speaking with people, you just remove filler words. So you just take that, move it out, and replace it with silence. You get immediately better at conversing and converting your message to people. Yeah, it's way better. People usually use filler words because they think faster than they speak. So if I'm trying to explain you something and I just keep I'm not giving you time to think about what I'm saying. That's pretty much the even though I can't hear you, Exactly. Even though I can't hear you, this is a conversation. So if I'm speaking and I'm speaking and speaking and speaking, I don't stop and I speak and I speak. I'm not giving you time. I'm not setting you up for the time required for you to consider what I'm saying. Several debaters have this issue where the persons try to debate and they just keep saying, and they're not debating. They're just trying to beat the other people down, the other person down by, well, tiredness. You're just tired of listening. I actually need to reduce the time for that Castle Lab thing because it's from the start of our conversation, it already posted twice. I'll reduce this to 15 minutes. I believe 15 minutes should be enough. Oh, fuck. 9 is 900 seconds. Thank you. So yeah, 15 minutes should be enough, at least for this. Some people consider debating same as conversation, like literal. Yes. You cannot have a normal conversation with them. I agree. Yes. It depends. I'm not gonna lie. Sometimes I do it because it is if you actually think as fast as you speak, it is a good tactic to overrun the other person. But yeah, I only do that with people that I completely don't agree with from the basis of their knowledge. There's a saying from Jordan Peterson. I really like him. There's a saying from him. He's speaking with a feminist representative, and he during the conversation during the debate he says, "Yeah, I know the feminist talking points. I don't want to talk with the feminist propaganda. I want to talk with you. If I wanted the propaganda, I would read the propaganda. I want to talk with you and what are your opinions. Doesn't matter which side the person is on this, but being able to separate what you hear from what you believe is immensely helpful for everyone. My opinion on what exactly? This is not exact. Oh yeah. Sorry, you're sorry. I got it wrong. You're saying my opinion as a whole. Yes. If I want to read it, I will read it. If I'm speaking with you, I just want to speak with you, not with what you heard from other people. And you get a lot gets lost in translation with this because the person defending something that they don't fully understand won't be able to recognize when you're following the wrong path, or if you are in fact following the correct path. How often do I stream? I'm trying to stream every day. I just started streaming. I just started back streaming. I started this Monday. It wasn't Monday, I believe it was. I'll just check. I don't remember where I can see my schedule. But I started this past few days. Yeah, I've started this past week. I'm trying to stream every day. I can give you a time frame. I usually start streaming 3 hours ago. So 3 hours ago would be 3 p.m. in Brazil. 3 p.m. in Brazil, it's UTC -3. UTC 0 would be 6 p.m. What time zone are you on right now? You mentioned that you are from Texas, right? If I'm not wrong. Oh yeah, you live in Texas. Texas time zone, let me check. GMT -5, so that will be 3, it will be 1 p.m. I start streaming 1 p.m. So what do I do off stream? Usually I keep studying. Right now I'm entirely focusing on getting a front-end developer job. So I'm studying a lot of coding. I'm studying best practices for coding, best practices in coding as well. There's this platform that I use a lot. It's called Entertrained. This one, it's called Entertrained. I really love it because here, this is Entertrained. I really like this one because you're able to. You can. It's a platform where you can just. Let me just show you over here. Let me put it on full screen. You can practice it. You can practice typing. You can practice typing with actual books, and the platform allows you to upload your own books. The custom upload feature is in the beta stage. You can currently upload up to 5 books. So, what else do I do with this platform? I put up books that I want to study, and if I want to learn another language, like I am learning. Thank you. Like I am learning Spanish as well. I just put a book in Spanish and type in the book in Spanish. So yeah, it's a very practical way for you to practice languages. So you get the typing practice, you get the reading practice, and you get the language practice if you are learning another language. You use Visual Code. What is your stack to learn and practice? Yes. What is your stack, and how long have you been coding, if you don't mind me asking? I usually do Python. How long? I mean, Python is the most required language in the world right now. You're better than me. Don't worry. Do you have 2 months in? Nice. How old are you, if you don't mind me asking? Oh, yeah. This is a good one. There's a slide of hands. You're 22. Nice. You're young. Don't worry. So you're able to learn a lot faster, but I am very persistent. But yes, it is the best opportunity to not the best opportunity right now. Probably one of the best careers to have is coding. If you don't mind me asking again, I work with that during the day, and at night I watch streams and work for my art page. Oh yeah, can you send the link? You don't mind me asking? Oh, I just got it. Here. Do you have the link for your art page? If you don't mind me. Thanks. Sleazy does it all on Instagram. Let me check. Instagram. I don't know if I'm logged on Instagram right now. Check. Yes, let me find over here. Yep. Follow. Oh, nice! You help people with interfaces for streaming as well. Nice. Very cute. It's for your Twitch channel. How long have you been streaming? If you do stream, is Liz does it all on Twitch as well? Oh, really? Several people kind of like the artsy streams where people just take time. They stream themselves creating. I have streamers with pen overlays and modes. Nice. Liz does it all. Nice work. But What I'm doing right now, as I mentioned, I just went back to streaming. I hand designed digital art for them. That is very, very beautiful. I just dropped you a follow on Instagram. I mentioned to you I start around 1 p.m. So aside from, oh, do you have a LinkedIn? You don't mind me asking? Have you set up? I mean, you're young, so that's not required. But have you set up a LinkedIn profile yet? It's very, very useful. Also, by the way, oh, sorry. You want to see some of my recent work? Yes, please. You can send me over on Discord. It's the same nickname over here, Monge Sem Nome. License agreement. Streamlabs OBS. I really, really need to install Streamlabs. Oh, I don't like Streamlabs, but yeah. Nice, nice, nice. Let me just set this up. I am still setting up LinkedIn and Fiverr. Yes, I mean, I'm aware that. But where is your portfolio? If you don't mind me asking again. Right. Runs to labs this desktop. My PC is probably gonna crash. Fuck. Oh yeah, please do. Yeah, as I mentioned, you can send me on Discord. Create a Streamlabs ID. It's the same as my username, Monge Sem Nome. Sorry, I wouldn't know how to say how to pronounce it in English, but it's the same as my username from Kick. Okay. It's Monge here. Monge Sem Nome. Here, let me just reply on Kick. Oh God. By the way, since I'm doing all Final Fantasies original soundtracks, let me go to the 10th. That hits. Can find your Discord. True. Let me see if it's pretty much the same as I mentioned. Monge Sem Nome. The amount of it's Lizzie got it all as well. Everything. Lizzie does it all. Thank you. Let me just send you over. Just sent you. You have no idea how much Final Fantasy X struck at the time. It was this was really, really amazing. It was. it was during a time where Final Fantasy meant something for the industry. What every single new Final Fantasy was an industry breaking event, and and a new standard would be set up. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. But and the portfolio, I'm checking different forms of video editing that I've created over the years: shorts, string highlights, long forms, montages. This. That's you editing other people contents, or that VTuber isn't you, right? Hello Carry. Let's check this. Okay, final short. Oh yeah.
What the dog doing?
That's very, very good. How long have you been editing for other people? Yeah, I'm checking the YouTube videos right now. I just saw the shorts. Let me see the string highlights. Yeah, you do. I mean, I unfortunately I'm just started, so I have no money, but I can see quality. I can recognize quality when I see it.
Favorite Wagyu waifu. Here's some
Really?
quick showcase of my beautiful model.
That's a very, very good. The cowgirl. I don't know what the name it is. It's a very, very good VTuber model. Wow.
Variety of content on Twitch for every week for a little over a year and a half now.
That's astoundingly weird. But yeah, Altashi. That's really, really something.
Oh shit. Okay. Hi, don't do that. Oh.
Nice. Nice. Very, very nice. Prism final. Let me check this one. Let me just pause my music. Sorry. Sorry for not seeing on the main screen. It's just that depending on the contents, you know that we can see everything. On my first day, I believe it was my first day streaming on Kick specifically. A guy sent me a link, sent me to search for a game and asked me to play, and the game was just someone repeating nigger, 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 nigger. It was very, very entertaining. Unfortunately. Nice. Prism final, star prism. So, if you don't mind me asking, what are you looking for?
Well, I would say fine Wednesday for me. See if I'm playing with control. Wait, this. Stabby, stabby.
Oh, some guys playing Stellar Blades. Nice.
Also, I changed the outfit to. Oh, it's not
Stream highlights. Let me change further. Let me change to the other. No, it's just. I mean, sorry for my dubious question. It's just that when people send portfolios, they are offering a product, so you get bombarded from time to time. You have a very good content, but you are not offering anything. So I'm just curious. I mean, it is very good. I'm not gonna lie. It's very well edited. It's just that usually by this time people are offering. So yeah, I have a budget, so I can work with your budget. I mean, I have nothing. So no. Thank you. It's just that as I mentioned, I just restarted. I have nothing right now. I have nothing. I was just fired from my day job today, actually. So no, don't worry. I really don't. I have a wife and 2 kids, so I didn't have the prospects of getting money right now. So unfortunately, I can't afford you. But yes, your work is amazing, and you do take the time to speak with the person, and you do take the time to speak with the person and to know a little more about them. So I'm very grateful for that. But yes, I have nothing. Once again, but yes, if it is
Hello and welcome to Blame
this loud. Sorry. If it would be just based on matters of quality, I would hire you if I had the money. Yes, but unfortunately I don't. Yeah, that's it. That's pretty much it. How long have you been working with this, or are you trying to enter the markets for this for editing? The people in my work line have really messed up the prices. What do you mean? Exactly. Just check. Oh, montages. Let me see the montages. There's a Fortnite montage. Oh, people are still here using the hammer. Nice. Nice. Let me check. Everyone thinks it's very expensive, but deep down, real artists have a very fair price. I mean, I don't disagree. It's just that I'm from Brazil. Yeah, you can send me. You can send me on Discord if you don't mind. But what I'm saying is that I'm from Brazil, so everything is costly to me. The finances from Brazil are very different. But the ratio from American dollar to Brazilian real is almost right now is almost 6 to 1. Yeah. But yeah, send me over if you don't mind. Let me I just saw this Elsa's portfolio is yours as well, right? Here's a selection of my personal favorite artwork. Click a category to view more. Let's see. Character art by Elsa. That's your drawing. Those are your drawings. Also, very good websites made with cards. Let's go back over here. Comic. Nice. You really have a talent. J. Jonah Jameson with superpowers over there. Do you speak Spanish? Oh, fuck, I just noticed that one of your artworks is in Spanish. Manga, let me see. Your manga folder seems to be a little older, so the styling of your oh fuck I forgot the word. Your style is a little not backwards but a little dated. Oh sure, but your main one, the character art, which seems to be the most updated one, is beautiful, beautiful. Profile that seems to be profile pictures. Your profile pictures is amazing. It's very very cute. I like the one inspired by Sailor Moon. Oh, there's a very good Invisible Girl as well. Characters. Yeah, your character one is very very good. That should be in a magazine, in a comic. Furry art, there it's obligatory furry art, but yeah, it's not available. Ref shit, what's ref shit? Also not available. Emotes also not available, and yeah, the foot thing. Yeah, the foot thing is there. Okay. That's very interesting. But yes, your content is very very good. It's I'm adding you on Twitter if you don't mind. Not adding you, but at least follow you on Twitter. By the way, your just so you know, your I'll send you some. I'll send something on your DM. Sorry, I just sent you over this on Discord. Um, Foxton Labs. Let me check what else. Is my portfolio. You can find some work. It's done for myself and for my clients. Is your name? Sorry, again. Is your name Elsa or Elsa? I wouldn't know the proper pronunciation in English. I'm not. But your portfolio is really, really good. It's astounding. I really hope that you find whoever. I really hope that you find as many clients as you can. Dashboards. Yeah, what? How the fuck do I access this thing? I'm still struggling a little with the installed apps, the app sponsorship. Where can I see this shit? Installed apps. Advanced. Game overlay, installed apps. Yeah, how do I use an app in this stuff? General language stream. Oh, I need to connect my Instagram over here as well. Stream, outputs, audio, video, hotkeys, advanced, SIM collection, notifications, appearance, remote control, virtual webcam, game overlay. Yeah, I have no idea where I can set up this shit. Let me see if is a source. Apps, Streamlabs sponsorship image. Fuck. Where the fuck is the image? The map settings. Oh. Oh, okay. Sponsorships are currently available to US creators only. Okay, now it makes sense. It has a CCV, Logitech G522 Lightspeed. Oh, that is actually interesting. But it is available to only to US creators. New campaigns. Okay, at least I found what I wanted. Just go back. Is here how to go back? No, it isn't. Once again, I believe that you're not here anymore. But once again, thank you for being with me, and thank you for spending a little time. That helped. I just noticed that the last time that you replied was around 20 minutes ago. Marshway just followed. Thanks for the follow, Marshway. I hope that you're feeling well, that your day is fine, and that you have everything that you need for your weekends. How's it going, man? I believe it's a man by the name. At least I can infer in that. But yes, if you're not a man, sorry. But if you are a man, how's it going, man? Let me just close this whole shit from Streamlabs. Let me just put this over here. Let me just remove this. Dashboard remove as well. Sponsorship. This is interesting. Not a problem, Lizzie. Thank you very much for following up with me. I just sent you a DM over your Twitter profile. It's not something important, but it is something to be aware of. And Marshway, again, thanks for the follow. I don't know if you're still here, but once again, thanks for the follow. I'm almost breaking 200 followers on Twitch. Let me check. Okay. It's my pleasure entirely. I have no idea. I have no idea how many people are watching actually on Facebook. I completely lost on streaming on Facebook because every time it is a small mess. Let me go back to my music. The fuck? Oh. Nope. Oh? Boom, boom. This is from the Blitzball tournament, if I'm not wrong. Before the attack starts. Boom, 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 bam, boom, boom, bam, boom, bam, 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 bam. Boom, 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 boom. Oh, let me go back to studying at least a little while. Oh, fuck. Sorry. Oh, yeah, no problem. Internet safety is always important. Probably one of the most important things that you can take into consideration. Bitrate is okay. And let me go back to the. Let me go back to the chats I can have here. Yep. Yeah, I really forgot that it was this good. It's more straight. Twitch doesn't let me talk for another 10 minutes. Yes, man. Sorry, it's just that I was getting spammers, people sending weird links to, yeah, we are gonna make you grow 10 times faster over anything. So I'm very sorry, man. Kaneki Brown. That's a nice. Kaneki. Where's Kaneki? Kaneki's from Akira. Tokyo sorry, Tokyo yes. Don't know if it is your reference, but yes. Yeah, no, once again, and thanks very much for the follow and for the persistence. Yes, thank you very much. I'm here just listening to good music. I really forgot that this song was from fucking Final Fantasy X. But it is the song that plays when Tidus is on the Blitzball tournament at the beginning of the game. I really forgot about the song. Let me see if I can see the let me see if I can see the video for this song. Let me see if it has a video. Yes, exactly. I'm fucking right. Yes, it's Tidus waiting for the beginning of the match. Exactly. For the before the attack on, I forgot what was the name of the city of the world specifically, but before the attack of the monsters. You guys give me 1 second, please. I'll be back in a few minutes. Let me just pause, mute everything. Hello once again. Kanek, if you're still here, sorry. I had to just take a pause to speak with my wife. And I think the intro for Final Fantasy 13 is such calming. Kinda. The intro to Final Fantasy 13, it depends what you call the intro. This part specifically goes a little after the beginning, and you it's when the attack starts that it happens. So a lot of people, it's it's so good. I'll be very honest, it's so good. But yeah, I was just playing. Let me just see. Let me just find the actual opening. Let me find the actual opening. Nope, it wasn't this one. Oh, thanks for being here still, Lizzie. Sorry for my pause. Yeah, thanks. Be safe village. Hmm. Oh no, now I'm random. This is from Chrono Cross. This is not from Final Fantasy X, but this music slaps. This is amazing. Dum 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 dum. Fucking shit! This is very good. I love it. Dum 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 dum. Dum 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 dum. I thought about your situation for a while. I have thought of something. Let me know if you're interested. I mean, you do have my Discord now. You can send me over. Don't worry. Dum dum dum. Dum 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 dum. Okay. Dum 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 dum. Dum 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 dum. I like to pretend that I can sing. Dum 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 dum. I can't focus on some music, some songs because I get very taken back, but by what the songs do represent to me, how they were relevant in my life. So I have to be very selective of some songs. For example, let me just change this one. Doo-doo-doo. Hmm. So yeah. Oh yeah, I really need to come back to go back to what I was studying. Oh, by the way, let me just change a little and just go back to typing a book. But which book should I type right now? Pragmatic Programmer is a very good book. I didn't want to find one in this aspect. I want one related to self development. I mean, before it was self help, but now people call it self development. So it's the same thing. But yeah, just find it. And think about one. I'll go with Pragmatic Programmer. Fuck it. Just check something else extra. Ba-da-ba-ba. Nice. Oh. Orthogonality. Or, oh, let me just put this one in the center. Oh. Here. Orthogonality is a term borrowed from geometry. Two lines are orthogonal if they meet at right angles, such as the axis on a graph. In vector terms, the two lines are independent as the number 1 on the diagram moves north. It doesn't change how far east or west it is. The number 2 moves east, but not north or south. Okay, this is a not that simple concept, but yet in computing The term, the term has come to slightly, to signify, sorry, a kind of independence or decoupling. What book is this? All I see are like old literature on here. I mean, this one specifically is called the Pragmatic Programmer. I have been trying to learn. I mean, now I can say that I know a little, but I have been trying to learn how to code for the past 8 years. Now that I know enough, I can say with certainty that one of the most useful ways for you to spend time is to read on coding concepts. So in this case specifically, the Pragmatic Programmer is a book that says about that speaks about the ways that you can think about how to code better without affecting other people's works. So you do your part, you document your part, you take into consideration what can or can't be done within the project that you are working on, and then you move from that. It is very rare from the coding perspective, from the coding community, to learn how to deal with other people. That's the funny part. But yeah, this one is our decoupling. Two or more things are orthogonal. So I like this website because I can type the book. So it helps me it's a Jordan Peterson word. I like to ruminate while reading. I like to take into consideration what I'm reading, and since I read very fast, it's better for me specifically to just take the time. Yeah, you can find it over here. I'll send it over to you on Discord. Give me a second. The Pragmatic Programmer here. I like using EPUB because EPUB files are let me put this on a shot. Let me send it over to you. Here. Just sent you over. It's I really like the concept of the book. That's pretty much it. One and the website that I'm using to type as well. So Enter Trains. I really like this website. Do not affect any of the others. In a well-designed system, the database codes will be orthogonal to the user interface. Oh fuck. I see. So you take the ebook file and upload it. Yeah. It's you can change the interface without affecting the database and swap databases without changing the interface. Before we look at the benefits, benefits of orthogonal systems, let's first look at a system that isn't orthogonal. You're on a helicopter tour of the Grand Canyon, when the pilot who made the obvious mistake of eating fish for lunch suddenly groans and faints. Fortunately, he left you hovering 100 feet above the ground. As luck would have it, you had read a Wikipedia page about helicopters the previous night. You know that helicopters have 4 basic controls. The cyclic. This is a fucking book about coding. The cycling is the stick you hold in your right hand. Move it, and the helicopter moves in the corresponding direction. Your left hand holds the collective pitch lever. Pull up on this and you increase the pitch on all the blades, generating lift. At the end of the pitch lever is the throttle. Finally, you have 2 foot pedals, which vary the amount of tail rotor thrust, and so help turn the helicopter. The fuck? Easy, you think. Easy, you think. Gently lower the collective pitch lever and you descend gracefully to the ground. A hero. However, when you try it, you discover that life isn't that simple. The helicopter's nose drops and you start to spiral down to the left. Suddenly, you discover that you're flying a system where every control input has secondary effects. Lower the left hand lever and you need to add compensating backward movement to the right hand stick and push the right pedal. But then each of these changes affects all of the other controls. Again, suddenly you're juggling an unbelievably complex system where every change impacts all the other inputs. Your workload is phenomenal. Your hands and feet are constantly moving, trying to balance all the interacting forces. Helicopter controls are decidedly not orthogonal. Kanuki, are you still there? Sorry if you don't mind me asking. It has been a while that I have been typing. I forgot to ask, man, where are you from? If you are still here. As the helicopter example illustrates, non-orthogonal systems are inherently more complex to change and control. When components of any system are highly interdependent, there is no such thing as a local fix. Tip 17. Eliminate effects between unrelated things. We want to design components that are self-contained, independent, and with a single well-defined purpose. What Jordan and Constantine call cohesion in structure design. Fundamentals of a discipline. Fundamentals of a discipline of computer program. Fundamentals of discipline. Fundamentals of a discipline. PDF. Oh fuck, I don't have anything. Yep. I got this one. Oh god. Ah. Nice. Oh, nice. Oh. This is from Persona 3. Fundamentals of a discipline of some. Oh no, this is from Marvel Rivals. When components are isolated from one another, you know that you can change one without having to worry about the rest. As long as you don't change that component's external interfaces, you can be confident that you won't cause problems that ripple through the entire system. You get two major benefits if you write orthogonal systems: increase productivity and reduced the risk. There's a page. Let's come back. Oh fuck. Create and pass data to a custom blog layout. Let me reduce a little here. What's the next? What's next? This is from Chrono Trigger. Boom, 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 boom. Just send it over to. What was his name? Boom, 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 boom. Add a layout. Create and pass data to a custom blog layout. Now that you have a layout for your pages, it's time to add a layout for blog posts. Get ready to create a new blog post layout for Markdown files. Pass YAML front matter values as props to layout components. Add a layout to your blog post. When you include the layout front matter property in an MD file, all of your front matter YAML values are available to the layout file. Create a new file. Okay, let's go. I'm still on layout, so it's just a matter of code. Markdown posts, Markdown post layouts, layout. Astro. Source layouts, Markdown post layout.astro. Okay. Copy the following code. Dash dash. Oh, sorry. Dash dash dash. Dash dash dash. Const. Front matter. Astro. Dot props. Meta. Char set equals UTF dash 8. Page 1. Page 1 here. Front matter variable. Front matter dot title. Close age 1, okay. P. Fuck. I just want P. Written by variable front matter. Oh fuck. This is from Elfen Leads. Control B. It's where is posts? It's I need to go one above. Oh, plus so the Astro plus the tutorial plus it's not source, it's inside source, so the source plus it's now its own pages. The pages plus so the posts, and now ls code. And just remove this because it's on my face and I'm unable to see the shit. Alright. Here. Control B. Okay. Control B. Now it's code. Post dash 1.md. Okay. layouts. Layouts. More down. Post layouts. History. Juan benigna, Juana moena, castitat lilia. Markdown post layouts, the Astro. It's wrong. This is what I want. Thank you. Nice. It's front age one front matter title, my first blog post, and front matter auto written by yes. Buona mona, buona moena, castitat lilia. Post one, okay. Post one, fuck it. Post one, post two, post three. What's this one now? Oh. Bum 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 bada bada bum. Dum 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 dum. Ba-da-dum, 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 bum, bum, bum. Bum, bum, ba-da-dum. Ok, Google. Ok, Google. Alterar a cor das luzes para verde. Hello there, Jennifer Tis. Thank you immensely for the follow. Nice to have you here. Hey, what's up? How's it going? Where are you from? I've been getting a lot of love from the Trovo community. You guys are amazing. The original soundtrack that is playing right now is from Castlevania Symphony of the Night. It's a PlayStation game from 1997. Oh, nice! I've been getting a lot of people from Florida. Do you guys use Trovo a lot over there? Boom, 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 boom. When you use the layouts, you now have the option of including elements like a page title in the markdown content or in the layouts. Where am I from? I am from Brazil, Jennifer. Thank you for asking. I'm specifically from Rio de Janeiro. Like a page title in the markdown content or in the layout. Remember to visually inspect your page preview and make any adjustments necessary to avoid duplicated elements. Yes. How old are you, if you don't mind me asking? I am 37 years old. I have 2 kids actually, but yes, I'm just trying again to stream. I really like the content generation that involves streaming. I think that people don't take it seriously enough, even though it's not a serious job as per se, but it is something to be taken into consideration. What games have you played? That's a very complicated question because I have been playing for the past 31 years. Right now, I'm playing. Let me just reduce the volume here seconds. Right now, I'm playing Expedition 33. I forgot what's the full name of the game. Everybody calls it Expedition 33, but it is. Claire Obscure Expedition 33, and the original soundtrack for the game is amazing. The soundtrack for the game is amazing. I'm really love with RPGs and JRPGs specifically, and this one is one of the best examples nowadays of what an RPG should be. Yep. What do you play, if you don't mind me asking? I want to make something for your channel. What exactly do you want me to make something to me for my channel? If that. Oh, like logo banner overlays through emotes. I'm very flattered, Jennifer. I just don't any budgets at all with me nowadays. I'm very, once again, I'm flattered, but I have nothing. I was just laid off from my job today, so I'm taking the time off. Yeah, you can send it over. You can send it over on Discord if you don't mind. My Discord username is the same as my username here on Trovo. Yeah, Discord. Yes. Boom. Try it yourself. Customize your blog post layout. Challenge: identify items common to every blog post and use Markdown post layout Astro to render them instead of writing them in your Markdown post in post1.mg and in every future blog post. Here's an example of refactoring your code to include the pub dates in the layout component instead of writing it in the body of your Markdown. Wait, I need to understand this one better. I need to see the full code. I just mentioned it's the same as my username here on Trovo. Post1mg. I didn't get anything. Still nothing. I mean, I can't see you right. I can't see right now, but you can send it over, man. Será? Ding da 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 ding ding da da ding ding da da. Ding ding da da ding ding da 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 da. Post 1 mg. Let me see this again. Let me move over this one. Post 1 mg. Clair obscure that I use my teeth. I just remove this one. Markdown post layouts. Publish it on. Or let me just mark down post layouts. Clair obscure that's it. It's a obscure variable. Don't matter. Updates to string. Slice 010 and close this function and closes P. Nice. Refactor as much of oh. Clair obscure, but I'm sorry. But is this working? In obscure. Oh no, this. Clair obscure, you parties de la sauce. Clair obscure, you passes de la sauce. Thanks for sending me over, Jennifer. I'll have a look after the stream, but as I've mentioned, I don't have enough money, and I have no money right now. I'm just doing this to stave off the heat a little. Front matter update to string. Wait, what? Update the string. Front matter update to string slice 010 closes. Yeah, that's what I've done, but it's not working as intended. Oh, okay, I'm an idiot. Yep, now it's working. Refactor as much as you think is useful to you, and add as much to your layout as you want. Remembering that everything that you add to your layout is one less thing that you will write in each and every blog post. Here's an example of refactor layout that leaves only individual blog post content and rendered by the slot. Feel free to use this or create your own. Markdown post layouts. Font matter. Astro.props. Publish it on. Page 1 font matter title. Publish it on. It's over there in some place. Oh. P dum da di da like toi dash em front matter dot description closes em, yeah, written by. Where's the close here? Image source. Front matter. Dot image. Dot URL. Width 300. Out. Front matter. Dot image. Dot alt. Yeah, I'm checking, Jennifer. Thank you. Jennifer, I already replied to you on Discord. Please don't insist. You're the third or fourth artist offering me to customize my channel. I do know that you guys need to make a living, but I do as well. I was just laid off. I just want to stream a little. If you guys want to hang out and you guys want to chat a little, I don't mind. But yes, that's just what I have. I'm still considering the things that I'm going to do in the future, and none of them involve spending right now. I need to take my options into consideration very, very carefully. So once again, thank you for the offer, but you're the third one just today, just this stream. Please, please, just if you want to hang out, I don't mind hanging out. But yes, and as I mentioned, I know that you guys need to make a living, but I can't. I have anything. I don't have anything right now. I just dropped you a follow. Oh, I can't drop you a follow on Instagram because you do have an SFW contents on your profile. But aside from that, thank you very much for being here. Don't matter in Mage Alt. And I need to close, actually. It's self-contained. And I close lots, and that's it. Now I have, what do I have here? Oh, nice. But where is this image coming from? It's generating an image? It's fucking nuts. Boom, boom, boom. Let me just see. Oh, I do have images here. Docs.astro.build assets rows. Okay, that makes sense. The Astro logo on the rope. That okay. It has tags as well. Dun, dun. Boom, 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 dum, 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 dum. Avoid duplication. Anything rendered by your layout does not need to be typed into your blog post. If you notice any duplication when you check your browser preview, then be sure to remove content from your markdown file. By the way, let me just check this one. Dun, dun, dun. Dun, dun, dun. Dun, dun, dun. Dun, dun, dun. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Zelda Ocarina of Time is a very bright presence in my life because it is one of the best memories that I have of everything. I've played and replayed this game infinitely throughout my childhood and teenage years. So when I say that I really, really love Zelda and what it did for young me, it's unthinkable. Pause for now, guys. Thank you very much for being here. I'll try to stream later today.